interesante ka sa amin.
Well, sa akin, ha?
At nararamdaman ko yan dun sa kinanta mo. So, yes.
Parang may hiya pa rin. Siguro dapat wala yun. So, para sa akin ngayon, no.
Sana po, bigyan niyo ako ng chance, mga Muslim.
With one yes and one no, Mali's future is now solely dependent on Wingard's verdict. Is it a sweet nod or a firm shake of the head? Before we reveal the decision, let's take a look at the long line of hopefuls just outside the judge's room. A self-confessed lesbian with a beauty title? Interesting enough for us to visit her at home.
Baby pa ako. Yan, babae pa ako niyan, girl. Latest ko ngayon na ako na to. Lesbian na ako.
The pictures on her wall summarize the story of her life. But among these photographs, one stands out.
Ito yung picture namin ni Julina.
Having met her idol years ago, Jazzy longs to see her again. And this is her chance to do just that.
Masaya pa rin ako hanggang ngayon kasi na-meet na naman kita. Remember, may taping tayo. Iiyak ako. Natutuwa talaga ako dahil kahit na hindi ako matatanggap dito, natutuwa ako kasi nakita ko kayo. Have crazy, you're everything you said and do. Have crazy, worried you find someone else, but baby there is no one else. Have crazy.
After the judges hands down their verdict, will Jazzy shed more tears of joy or will she cry a river out of frustration? Just how far would you go for your dream? And I mean literally. Our next idol hopeful had to travel more than 700 kilometers just to make it to the audition.
I am Raymond Jandy Fernandez of Zamboanga City.
At kahit mag-isa lang siyang bumiyahe, di nagpapigil si RJ. Maabot lang ang pangarap niyang maging first Pinoy idol.
Umalis ako ng Zamboanga ng 1 o'clock a.m. Makaya ako ng tricycle. Taxi. Jeep. Hanggang sa dumating po ako sa SM.
Finally, after 14 hours of travel, RJ is ready to face our judges. Kayanin pa kaya niya ang audition after the long travel? May uuwi kaya niya ang inaasam niyang golden ticket?
The moon is shining bright, the moon is feeling right. I'll kiss you on your neck before still we won't care.
What other song do you know? Na standards or ballad or what?
How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart.
Madugtungan pa kaya ang journey ni RJ sa Pinoy Idol? Or has he reached a dead end? Mali, Jazzy, and RJ, each has a story to tell. Makuha kaya nilang tatlo ang pinakaaasam na golden ticket? From hundreds of Pinoy Idol hopefuls, ilan kaya sa mga Cagayanon ang makakapunta sa Manila to compete for the elimination round? Time to find out after the break. Ogie said yes, while Jolina gave a no.
So sa akin, yes. You're in.
Alright!
Mabuhay!
Good luck. Good luck.
Ito yung pruweba ko na natanggap nga ako sa audition.
Mali is flying to Manila. Will RJ take the same flight as him?
Alam mo, Raymel, yung style mo, very unusual. Pero, it's so appealing. It may look weird, but it had a certain appeal to me.
Sa akin din, konting repackaging lang.
Yeah.
Palagay ko may chance ka. Julina?
Yes.
Thank you po.
Alright.
I say yes.
Okay, go. Good luck. We will see you in Manila.
It's Jazzy's turn to hear the verdict.
Sorry, no.
Sa singing, it's a no.
No. No, sorry. It's okay. Can I hug to Janina?
Sure.
Jazzy may have not gotten a golden ticket, but what she gained was far more meaningful to her. From hundreds of Pinoy Idol hopefuls, ilan kaya ang makakapunta sa Manila to compete in the elimination round? Well, there's only one way to find out. Kanya-kanya ang dahilan ng mga gustong maging Pinoy Idol. At ang humaharap ngayon sa mga judges, mayroong isang obvious reason.
Di ka ba napapagod o di kaya'y nagsasawa sa ating mga tampuhan walang hanggang katapusan?
Darling, alam mo, ang layo ng binyahe nyo. Naisip ko lang yung nanay mo kanina pagkasama mo. Pwede ba namin makilala?
Sige, tawag mo.
Ha?
Sandali po.
I'm sorry, hindi po namin alam. Nahihirapan ba kayo?
Sorry po, hindi namin alam.
Ano?
I'm having nervous spasm.
Oo nga, hindi ko namin alam. Pasensya na. Darling, actually sa akin kanina, when you were singing, naalala ko sa'yo si Kula Desma.
I like your voice. Pwede ka pa mag-improve. Your mom should be very proud.
For me, it's a yes.
Nung nagkasakit na po yung mama ko, isipan ko po, kinakailangan ko talagang mag-take up ng nursing para maalagaan yung mami ko.
Darling's hopes are high, and so is the last few guys who are patiently waiting for their turn. Katulad na lang ng band vocalist na si Cloribel de la Cruz, who wants to prove that he can fit into this competition.
Di porket mataba ka, wala kang chance ang manalo, wala kang chance ang maging singer.
Mataba daw siya noon, kaya laging hindi natatanggap sa mga singing contest. And by joining Pinoy Idol, may gusto siyang patunayan sa isang tao.
Mas naging strong ako ngayon. Dahil alam ko na ang payat na ako. Kasi yun lang yung sabi mo kulang sa akin.
Sino ba ang taong tinutukoy ng bokalistang Cagayanon? Inside the judging room is his revelation.
Sabi nila, medyo mataba raw ako sa screen.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Sino nagsabi nun? Kilala mo?
Si Sir Danny Tan po.
Kunwari, nasa harap mo si Danny Tan ngayon.
Oo.
Pakita mo sa kanyang mali siya.
Oh yeah, gonna change my answering machine now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone, and I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walk out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. So done with wishing
Thank you.
she was.
Gusto ko yung boses mo, ah. Maybe it's a yes.
Yes. Julina?
Yes.
Yes!
Alam mo, Cloribel,
Yes, sir.
pakita mo kay Danny Tan mali siya.
Thank you! Yes! At sa last gig ni Cloribel, ipinamalita na niya ang good news and he bids farewell to his band.
I have a very special announcement today. Ako po ay pupunta ng Manila. Ako po ay natanggap sa Pinoy Idol.
At sa pagpunta niya sa Manila, magtatagpong muli ang landas nila ni Danny Tan. Good luck, Cloribel! The Pinoy Idol hunt takes a break with the seemingly suspicious stalker. Teka, anong trip ng isang to? Mukhang naiba na ang goal ng isa nating idol hopeful. Hanggang saan kaya ang kaya niyang hamakin, masunod lamang ang hiling ng puso.
Ang kantang ito ay para sa iyo, like a rose.